for later viewing, okay? Here's the first part. The first part of our day is we need to learn how to write something in function form. So we're going to do the following. I'm going to write in function form. What does that mean to write something in function form? Anybody have any thoughts? What does it mean to write in function form? In this case, when you see that function form, that means we're going to get y by itself. Okay, so what does function form mean for us, everybody? Getting y by itself. You got it. So let me give you an example. If I give you 2x plus 2y, okay, if you have 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, we want to get this into function form. Our goal is to solve this equation for y in order to put it into function form. Who's got a good idea? What can we do first to get y by itself? Just shout it out. What is it? Subtract 2. No, stop talking like that. What is it? We're not subtract 2, but subtract 2 what? 2x. Or just subtract 2x. This is the thing we want to get by itself. Okay, that's the thing we want to get by itself. We want to subtract 2x from both sides. So we're going to subtract 2x from this side. We're going to subtract 2x from that side. Here's what that gives us. 2x minus 2x, of course, is nothing. So we have 2y left over is now equal to 10 minus 2x. Good. Are we done with the problem yet? No, we're not done yet. We need to do what? Divide by what? You're absolutely correct. We're going to divide every piece by 2. Every single piece by 2. That gives us this. Y is equal to 5 minus, what's 2x divided by 2? X. Very good. So that's going to be 5 minus x. And now we have written this inside or into function form. What do you guys think? Easy, medium, or hard? Hard. Okay, good. All of the above, he says. It's amazing. How can we say things at once? All right, now we're going to solve the literal equation. Now, all that really means is to solve a particular equation for whatever piece that they want you to solve for. So as an example, I'm going to give you an equation that has a bunch of variables in it. It's going to look like this. A plus B y is equal to c. How many variables do you see? Yeah, I see 4. There's definitely 4 of them. So we could solve this equation for any one of the 4 it wants us to. Right now, which variable is completely solved for by itself? C. Very good. We're going to solve this equation with a semicolon here. This is going to tell you solve for A. So this little piece tells you which variable they want you to solve for. Okay, so which one are we trying to get, everybody? A. We're trying to get the A right here. So if I want the A by itself, what do I do? Subtract what? You got it. We're going to subtract by. From both sides, keep everything even. Notice I'm working vertically. So that means that A is now equal to, what's C minus BY? Good, I didn't fall for it. Are those like terms, C and BY? No, why are they not like terms? Because they're not the same what? Starts with a V. Not the same variable, and they don't have the same what? Exponent. Very good. Nicely done. All right, third idea here. I'm going to give you another literal equation. All right? And that equation is this one. We're in the same directions here. We're going to solve the literal equation. All right, here it is. What if I gave you this? I is equal to P R T. Who's seen this formula before? Raise your hands. Let the record show half the students in the room have seen this formula before. Good. What does this formula mean? What does the I mean? Interest. Good. What does the P mean? Percentage. What does the R mean? Rate. What does the T mean? I would like you to solve this equation. I'd like you to solve this equation for T. Okay. How do you solve this equation for T? No. Okay, now you're just saying things. Like, what's going on right here? Are we adding P, R, and T? No. Are we subtracting P, R, and T? No. Are we multiplying P, R, and T? Yes, we're multiplying. What is the inverse operation of multiplication? Division. What should I divide by? PR. Good. We're going to divide by PR. Notice the PRs go away. So therefore, I divided by PR is now equal to T. Okay? Little bonus question for you. Let's go back to our E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Please solve that equation for mass. Solve this equation for mass. How do you do that? Great. Go ahead. All right, we're going to show you right now. Okay, E equals mc squared. What are you doing to the m and the c? Are you adding them? No. Are you subtracting them? No. Are you multiplying them? Yes, you multiply them. What's the inverse of multiplication? Division. So we're going to divide by what? C squared. Exactly. Divide by C squared. So M is now equal to E over C squared. Who got it right? Put your hands up. Let the record show. Ooh, man, almost like 70% of my class.